Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 2 of our playlist JavaScript. Okay, so this is a JavaScript playlist and here we will learn. Okay, so the question is what exactly we are going to learn through this playlist. So that you don't have any confusion. That's why I'm writing this. What exactly we are going to learn in this JavaScript playlist. Okay, so what exactly we are going to learn in this playlist. Okay, so let me brief you so that you can easily go in flow of this playlist videos. Okay, so we are going to learn three most important topics. Okay, so what are those three important topics? Okay, so if I tell you what are the important topics we are going to learn, first we will learn programming fundamentals. Okay, because without learning programming fundamental, we cannot move to advanced topics. Okay, so once we cover this programming fundamental, then we will move to the DOM manipulation. Okay, so we will learn how we can manipulate the DOM. Okay, what is DOM actually? We will learn after learning the fundamental of JavaScript, right? Then we will learn advanced JavaScript. Okay, so in advanced JavaScript, what we will learn actually? We learn here ES6 concept, okay, ES6 concept as well as ES7 concept, right? After that, we will learn projects. Not learn, we will create actually the projects. Okay, whatever knowledge we will gain after learning the fundamentals, after learning the DOM manipulation, and after learning advanced JavaScript, including ES6 and ES7 features. So till now we have enough knowledge, so we are ready to implement the projects, right? So after that we will start project. Okay, so if we talk about programming fundamentals, so what are the topics we will cover in programming fundamental? Okay, so we must know the curriculum, like what exactly we are going to cover. Okay, so in the fundamentals, programming fundamental of JavaScript, we are going to cover. Okay, so we are going to cover here, like we will learn variables, declaration. Okay, how we can declare the variables in JavaScript. Then we will learn data types in JavaScript. Then we will learn operators in JavaScript. Then conditional loops we will learn. Okay, in loops we will talk about all the loops like while loop, do while loop, and for loop, right? So we'll discuss them. Then we will learn objects. What is objects? How to create the objects? We'll discuss on it. Then we will create arrays. We will learn the concept of arrays, how we can create the arrays, and how we can implement the arrays in practical applications. We will learn. Then we will learn functions. Okay, after functions, once we complete the functions topic, then we will move to the JSON. Okay, so these are the topics we are going to cover throughout this programming fundamental, right? Okay, so okay, once we complete this topic, then we will learn DOM manipulation, then advanced JavaScript. All right, so from the next video onwards, we will see the concept of variables, like how we can declare the variables, data types we will learn. All right, so thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. All right, thank you. Okay, so whatever you will learn from here, from this video, you need to implement, or I'll say you must implement whatever you will learn. You must implement. Okay, then only you can become a programmer. Otherwise, no chance. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.